Welcome to an unforgettable day at Guhan schools. Our kindergarten stars are exploring nature's palette with an adorable fruit-themed walk.
Say hi!
Our little learners took a mini adventure to a local fruit and vegetable shop, turning curiosity into discovery. With guidance from our teachers, they touched, felt, and learnt about real fruits right on the spot.
Fruit shop. Come here, go inside. Then,
And the banana.
banana, yes.
Orange.
And orange, very good. Yeah,
Pomegranate. I am mango.
You are mango, okay.
Pineapple.
Then what fruit is this? Pear. This one? What is this? Apple. Take one orange. This one. Orange. What is this?
At Guhan schools, we go beyond books to inspire a love for nature and healthy habits.